What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode, we need to continue tracking the major cryptocurrencies as we are forming some interesting patterns across the technicals and across the crypto market here. You can see we're going to be focusing today, obviously, on XRP as we've pretty much been hugging this top resistance inside our massive bull flag formation here. I'm also going to be looking at Solana, which has rebounded back down to bottom support. It looks like we're holding strong, but we will obviously see if that's going to continue to happen. We're also going to be checking out Ethereum, which I also believe has bottomed off at its moving average. Hopefully we'll start to reverse back out of that. We have something like Bitcoin here, possibly hitting support. Stock market did kind of what we were expecting yesterday here. You can see we had a small little dip. I don't know why. I almost feel like I need a refresh the stock market to see if any new movements have actually formed here, because it doesn't look all that accurate. Let me just pull up the stock market super quick, SPX to TVC, for those that don't know. Yeah, it looks like it's weird because that looks like the 8th. So I don't know why we're closed today or why we don't have any new candle formations here. A little bit odd. This is the 7th. Yeah, this is the 8th. I don't know why it's not drawn on here. So that's a bit confusing, but it is saying it's up to date. So I'm not entirely sure. Hopefully I'll get to the bottom of that moving forward. But yeah, with that being said, we do need to look at all these cryptocurrencies. I think something's going on here. Maybe something isn't being tracked. I'll have to check that out a little bit later. But as of right now, all these other cryptos look like they are hitting supports. And that could mean that, hey, maybe XRP isn't going to be breaking any lower. It's kind of what I think. We could actually start to see a little slight reversal to the upside here. Same thing goes with Solana. So I'm kind of excited across the board for these cryptocurrencies. Hopefully you guys are too. With that being said, smash that like button though, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's get right into today's episode. So guys, super quick before we dive into the technical analysis, remember BitFi is doing a huge giveaway, a huge promo for those that want to enter. This is on top of their current 8K bonus giveaway that they're doing for those that want to sign up to the exchange. It's completely free. Link is down in the description below. But as you guys can see, you can win possibly USDT. You can get headphones, AirPods, iPads. What is this? iPhones, and then some other really cool stuff. And all it is the link down in the description where you can get the rules and terms. There's just a couple of weeks left. I believe 17 days left, so a little over 2 weeks. And then they're probably going to do another promo. But definitely make sure to enter it if you are interested in possibly getting some of this stuff, especially if you're already trading. You might as well, increase your odds here. But with that being said, as you guys can see, yesterday we left off with the possibility of just bottoming. We don't necessarily know if that's true, but it's starting to take shape like that. Could be causing reversal as of today, because you can see a lot of these cryptocurrencies are starting to slide back to the upside here. You can see it right on here, up only 1.7%, but check it out. You can see last 7 days, like just yesterday, we're starting this small little subtle increase across the board on practically every single cryptocurrency. So if this does go our way, we're probably going to see a reversal come into next week, which is what we're all patiently waiting for. My main focus obviously is on XRP here. I think we might be able to see something on the 4-hour. It almost looks like there's some sort of newer technical indicator here. It's kind of hard to judge. Maybe a smaller bull flag, that could be a possibility. It almost looks like that. Definitely looks like some sort of support here. I could even, do we extend it out like that? I don't know. Yeah, maybe something like that. And then maybe some sort of like resistance like that. It almost looks like there's some sort of newer technical or some smaller technical trending inside of here, filling in this gap. And ultimately, I am waiting and expecting to see a break to the upside here. But why I'm so excited about XRP and these other cryptos is like everything else looks like it's bottomed. Stock market, I don't know why we have, it ended January or Wednesday the 8th. Like, why haven't we seen a few more days of consolidation? We should be easily on Friday the 10th here. Yeah, for sure. And we don't even have those candles. So we'll see. I'll have to figure that out. But otherwise, like looking at something like Bitcoin, looks very much so like it's hit some sort of support here. Same thing with Ethereum, like it's hit support. Same thing with Solana. It looks like it's kind of in an area of support. And if that is true, then that means XRP is holding extremely well. And there's a chance it might not actually tumble. Obviously, there still is that possibility, but more so it looks like we could inevitably see a reversal, which I'd be very excited to see happen here. That would easily send us to the upside. And I do believe the last quarter, I've been talking with a couple of my friends, and we really do think that this quarter, we could see one possible run. That's, maybe into 4, 8, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12. So maybe by March, the latest, I'd say. January, February, March, 2.5 months left to really see that. Obviously, quarters, so breaking it down into 3-month intervals here, I do think there is a chance for one last pump, one last reversal to take place on XRP, and honestly, the rest of the cryptos too. And then we're going to enter that kind of bear market and then the winter. So everything else, although does look really good, if we do decide to run maybe 120, 130, that's it for something like Bitcoin here. And then I think we're going to, correct or start to see the dip take place here. But aside from XRP possibly seeing that rally, we're going to be getting prepared on BitFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Every single thing you'd want on an exchange is offered on BitFi. You can see we've been tracking XRP here for quite a long time. You can see it almost looks like we did break out of this resistance, but if you kind of extend this up here, look at how perfectly it aligns with this. We can even get away with extending that too, which is interesting. So there's definitely some sort of either bull flag or symmetrical triangle, something forming here, filling in this gap. And you can see as we've done it, and it almost looks like more of a symmetrical triangle than anything else, because I'll say why it's more symmetrical, because you can see each time we fall, it's lower or higher than the last time as we head up. So in my mind, it's not going down as much as it is filling in this gap. Lower highs, higher lows, beautifully consolidating here. Once it gets squeezed, because you can see volume is slowly dying and getting squeezed, we're looking for that break, which could come end of January, which is pretty excellent if you ask me, and more than likely a bullish rally to the upside here. We'll obviously be taking advantage of this on BitFi because they are the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that offers market orders, stop limit orders, take profits, reduce onlys, like every single thing you'd want on an exchange is offered on BitFi, which is excellent. It's absolutely excellent. I love it so much. So definitely make sure to check them out. Link down in the description below. Aside from the trade for a chance to win some cool stuff, they even have a reward center, which you should check out, and then a demo trading account, which you should check out. You can see right here, hot rewards, exclusive rewards, daily rewards, New Year's rewards, $100 in free bonus crypto that can be leveraged up to 20x. So really $2K, $2,000. They have even up to 8K, which if you leverage that 20x is insane here. All cool bonuses you can take advantage of with the link down below. They then have a demo account, gives you 50K in demo money to practice trading your skills, get familiar with the platform, learn the exchange, and then when you're ready, you can head on over to live trading account, use that bonus money. Anything you earn profit-wise off that bonus money, you can withdraw completely free, which is also excellent. So make sure to check them out. Link down in the description below. And aside from XRP looking bullish, we have some other cryptocurrencies like Solana. Solana looks like it's veered to its support here, veered to its bottom, and really we're looking for possible reversals now. You can see it's kind of come back down to gain some support on this, downtrend here. We're in a bull flag. Yeah, we did reject here and correct lower, but I do think if not where we are, then this blue support being support and reversing up from there, and that would obviously take XRP with it. Same thing with Ethereum. Like even though Ethereum looks like it's correcting and it could head lower, we have taken a long time now to consolidate back down to these supports. Like since November 24th, we've been coming back down. Solana hit it first. Ethereum hasn't. So Ethereum is finally really come into contact with its moving average, at least a red band here. It hasn't done this in months. Legit since like November 24th. It's now January 25th. So we finally come into contact with it. I do believe we're going to have a possible pump reversal take place here. Same thing goes with Bitcoin. Bitcoin at a bottom. I do believe even if we do veer a little bit lower, there's a good chance we'll reverse out of it and start to rally up to the upside here. That's truly what I think is going to happen, that we're going to see some sort of market reversal to the upside here. Now, I do just briefly want to check SPX. Like, I don't know why it's not loading those last 2 days here. Maybe we'll pull it up on another, here we go, on Yahoo Finance, and we'll get a better look here. But it does seem to show, no, it ended 1.8. Very peculiar. So something definitely has gone on, I think. Market closed 1/9/2025. Why were we closed yesterday? U.S. stock market closed mixed on Wednesday as market participants remain concerned regarding forward trajectory of both inflation. What? This is why we haven't seen any market movements. I had no idea. Is the stock market closed January 9th, which was yesterday? And it's saying the U.S. stock market closed January 9th there we go. In remembrance of President Jimmy Carter declared that the market's funeral service for the late president. So that's because we don't have any holidays or anything going on. So it was a little confusing as to why we're seeing that happen, but that's why. So that makes total sense for those that were wondering here. But I think it might have been closed the day before too, but maybe we'll open back up today. Good chance. So, yep, trading will resume Friday as normal. So we'll see how the aftermarket's closed. And if in that case, since we're going to be opening back up today, there's a chance. I do believe it's interesting because you can clearly see we're getting squeezed here. We could head up higher, and again, it wouldn't really make much of a difference, but I think we're going to squeeze down to here and then pump up. So that's going to be it for today's video. Smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.